Having trouble with your Jeep JK key fob? Most issues stem from a dead battery or the fob becoming desynchronized with your vehicle. First, replace the CR232 battery in your key fob. These batteries typically last 2 to 5 years. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try the Relearn procedure. This resynchronizes the fob with your Jeep's computer. To do this, get in your Jeep and close all the doors, cycle the ignition to the run position, and press the lock or unlock button on the fob multiple times in a specific sequence. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact procedure, as it can vary slightly. This DIY approach resolves about 70% of key fob problems. If battery replacement and the Relearn procedure fail, the problem might be with your Jeep's WIN module. This module is responsible for keyless entry and ignition. A WIN module reset can sometimes clear error codes and recalibrate the system. To attempt this, disconnect your Jeep's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the module. However, if problems persist, especially with high-mileage vehicles, the WIN module might be faulty and require replacement. Software updates and recalls have addressed WIN module issues in some JK models, so check if your vehicle is affected. If you're uncomfortable working with your vehicle's electronics or the problem persists, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic to avoid further damage or voiding any warranties.